Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today, Nifty gap down open more than 100 point as indicated by SGX Nifty. And it was the fifth day of fall. And last 4 days, Nifty was down. And also today, Nifty opened very close to 20-day moving average of 16,260. So as expected, Nifty took some support there and moved slightly higher. And today it is another day of more than 200 point in move in Nifty. For the last few days, the markets were so volatile, and every day Nifty moves more than 200 point, either from intraday high to low or from intraday low to high. And this is the trend for the last many days. But though VIX is coming down, but the intraday volatility is so huge. When everybody was bearish today, Nifty moved more than 200 point higher from the intraday low. In fact, in the afternoon, around 12:45 p.m., when the Europe market opened around 12:30, they all trading lower. So the people started selling severely. In a matter of like 20-30 minutes, Nifty has fallen about 60-70 points, and also the shorting was so high, the Nifty future has come to a discount of nearly 10 points. Whereas since morning, the Nifty future was trading slightly at a premium, and that has come to discount. So then everybody thought, okay, market is gone, will be falling. Then around 1:30, the buying came, and it was a non-stop rally, and nobody could believe this rally today. And those people who are very, very bearish sold huge amount of call options, I told you. Yes, 16,300, 350, 400, 450, 500. And today everyone had to run for cover. In fact, I also sold a 16,400 call option yesterday and thinking, markets are going to go above 16.4, and came to 16.4. So I had to book the loss and move to 16.450. Again move to 16.450. So again I had to book the loss. I had to move to 16.500. But anyway, I kept on selling more and more put options to compensate that loss. This is a very, very rare. But again, I can tell you, this is just only a short covering, nothing else. And last month, HDFC used to move very violently every day. And every day it used to move 70-80 rupees. This month, it is the turn of TCS. TCS moves every day 60-70 rupees. Today, TCS moved 85 rupees from intraday low to high. Reliance is another stock which supported the market today. Since the beginning, Reliance was very, very strong. The crude oil, international crude oil is trading around $123. And all the oil companies, they are doing very well. And in fact, today, Reliance alone contributed for 50% of the Nifty rally. And not only Reliance, even the mid caps and small caps have done very well today. But metals and PSU banks are the only draggers. And later part, it was Reliance, TCS and Infosys. So these are the three stocks that rallied to take the market above 16,400. So as I said, today whatever has happened, it is because of short covering. And there was some news today that retail people continue to pump in the money in mutual funds. And last month, they pumped in about 18,000 plus crores into the mutual funds. And we thought, some retail people may stop investing in mutual funds because, the markets, last October it was 18,600. Now it is 16,400. It has fallen more than 2,000 points. and the global uncertainty, but that has not happened. And even the SIP, uh, the last to last month it was 12,000 plus crore. I think last month it came down a little bit. Now it has again shot up. The SIP alone is more than 12,000 crore, and the total money invested in mutual funds is about 18,000 crore. So, assuming that we have about 20 trading session every month, this 18,000 crore of retail people can support the market about 1,000 crore per day. So, more money is required to support the market as FIIs are just left, right, and center keep selling in the markets. And today, once again, they've sold for 1,500 crores. But however, the domestic institutions have bought for 1,600 crore and plus the expiry day volatility and other things. But however, after our markets and the European Central Bank, they said they will be increasing the interest rate in the July meeting, and so they have also projected higher inflation in the coming months, and because of that, European markets have fallen more, US futures are falling, and SGX Nifty is already down about 60-70 points. So that is the case every day. So anyway, nobody thought that today's rally is because of strength. It's just because of short covering, and then tomorrow we will go back to square again. So if this has happened after the U.S. inflation data, then we would believe that the rally is sustainable. So any rally that comes after the US inflation data, which will be out tomorrow evening, then only we can have a faith in the market. Otherwise, as of now, it's all about short and short covering. Hope you enjoyed watching this podcast. Thank you for listening. Bye.